Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So as you guys can see by the title, today we're going to be doing a Fashion Nova try on haul round 2, you guys. So yes, you guys, I cannot stay off this website. I love Fashion Nova, you guys. It's another big haul. So I'm going to try on all the clothes for you guys. I even got some shoes. I'm going to try that all on for you guys. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the little bell icon. That way, whenever I upload, you are notified about it. And also, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. And I will talk to you guys later. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Just in case anyone asks, this top that I'm wearing is from Boohoo. All right, so first item is this 2-piece set. And it's called Do You Want to Bet set. And I got it in Hunter. Well, the color is Hunter green. I'm excited to try this on. Okay guys, so this is the first outfit, or the first piece that I got. And I like it. I don't know if the straps are adjustable, but it's... So yeah, this is it, you guys. This is real cute. There goes that word again. I'm gonna be using cute a lot in this video. I feel like my boobs look weird, like it's not sitting right. This is it. Let me lower it down so you guys can see. All right, so that's lower you guys all the way down. But yes, as you guys can see, it does come all the way down to my feet. And yet again, like I said, I am 5'8". So with heels on, it'll still kind of be like, you know, over the shoes. So the pants are definitely long, for sure. I don't know if the top, okay, the top does have adjustable straps. So you can make the top tighter, because that's what like I'm kind of like worried about. I'm like, this just feels like it's just so low. But yeah, I can tighten this up if I need to. Let me suck my stomach in, y'all. I had canes for lunch, you guys. I'm just gonna start keto January 1st, because right now I want everything in my sight. But yeah, this is a cute little outfit, cute little piece. You can definitely wear it with some sandals and like make it like a, you know, a more casual laid back type feel. Or you can dress it up with some heels and come to slay. So next fit, or next item, I'm gonna pair these two together. It's a shirt and some jeans. Yes, I've had another pair of jeans. I love Fashion Nova jeans, like I really do. This right here is called the Always Remember Me top, and I got it in brick red. They have this in white and this color. And then I got these boyfriend jeans. These are called On the Block High Rise boyfriend jeans in a size 13. The top was in a size large. Okay. First, let's start with the top. If you got a big head, this may not be the shirt for you, because to get this top over my head was a little bit of a struggle. But other than that, the top is cute. I like the top. I just need to, I feel like I find myself buying a lot of clothes that realistically I can't wear every day. And a lot of the times there are outfits that you really just wear them one time, and if you ever do wear it again, you can't go, you know, be somewhere with the same type of people around. Can't post it, because it's like I buy a lot of things that are like memorable. Like you won't forget that outfit. So I just need some more simple everyday tops that I can wear more. So the shirt is cute. I actually kind of want it in the white. Now these jeans, Fashion Nova usually does me right, but these jeans are, you guys, look. It has a gap. Usually they fit so well, like where it like hugs back here. I mean, it's not that much. It's really not. I will say these definitely do fit true to size. If anything, if you're a little unsure, I would say size up. There's definitely, I think on the website these state that they're non-stretch, and they were not lying. These are not stretchy at all. These jeans definitely look a lot cuter on the model. I see these jeans all summer long and I could not find them on the website. And when I finally found them, I was like, I'm buying them. And not in love with it, you know, but sometimes after you wear jeans or you wear an item like after some time, it does tend to like loosen up. You do tend to like it better. So that's what I'm kind of hoping with these jeans, is that over time it'll kind of like loosen up and conform to my body more. Is that a thing, or am I making that up on my like clothes don't conform to your body? I don't know. But right now I'm not all the way in love with these jeans. Like, I don't hate them enough to return them, but I don't love them. And it is cold outside right now, so I'm not going anywhere in ripped jeans. But I hope you guys can see this. I don't know. Let me jump. These are the jeans. Okay, let's move on to the next item. Okay, I have this right here. It's a romper. It's called the Buenos Aires romper, and I got it in a size large. Wait a minute, this is supposed to be a romper? You guys, this looks like shapewear. Looks like I can just, you know, suck my stomach in. Okay, hopefully this stretches, because where am I going in this little bitty itty piece of cloth? Not a goddamn place. I don't even know where to begin with how much. I don't even know where to begin with how much I don't like this. First of all, when I saw this on whoever, well, okay, I was watching someone else's YouTube video. They were doing a Fashion Nova try on haul, and they bought this in the green, and they were thicker than me, like thick. I was like, okay, she cute. I get off Fashion Nova's website. I said, okay, model's cute, people who worn it, cute. Let's add it to the cart. Okay, so the way I originally wanted to wear this was, you know, put this on with like a jean jacket. This jean jacket is from Fashion Nova. I didn't buy it recently, but yeah. So this is how I initially wanted to pair it. And this looks fine. Like, this little outfit cannot be worn on its own. Two, I need to get my stomach way flatter. Like, this is where I'm at right now. I need to be like this. Ooh. Like, in order for me to wear this, I have got to be like utterly snatched. I do have my bra on, that's why my boobs look weird and excited if I taking it off. But obviously I would wear like a strapless bra with this, or like a bandeau bra. But yeah, this is how I was gonna pair this and how I would pair it. And then, you know, put on whatever like shoes. But at this point, I just feel like this is like an outfit you wear to go get your nails done. You know, you going somewhere not important, but it's like, let me look a little cute, but I also kind of want to be like, you know, relaxed in a way. That's what this is. Okay. It looks cute this way. Okay, so this is this jumpsuit, and I like jumpsuits. I just would never wear a jumpsuit by itself. I feel like it would look weird. I just like to pair jumpsuits with like oversized jackets or sweaters or whatnot. Like, this is like a real easy outfit. Like if your friend calls you up like, oh, let's go to a movie real quick, or let's go to dinner or something, you know, something where it's like, we're not really dressed up, but like, I ain't trying to look a mess. Okay, maybe not dinner. If it is dinner, it's like someplace where you really don't care. You don't care. I don't know if I like the way this necessarily fits on me. But yeah, this is how I would pair it. Yet again, with a jean jacket or any oversized jacket, I would throw this on. Or you can even put on like you know, one of your like college sweaters or whatever. Put that on with some like boots, like some Uggs or something, and make this like some tights if you really wanted to. Like, but yeah, the jumpsuits are just like easy throw on. So okay, so this is the next fit. Am I drunk when I'm buying some of this stuff? Like, okay, this is cute. Okay, I will say that. Getting these pants on. Alrighty. Okay, this is cute. And it's actually not as short as I thought it would be. I don't have any, like, yo, that's all the room I got to open my legs. Like, there's no more room. It's cute. I couldn't get the top all the way zipped up because I live alone. So the day that I actually do want to wear this, I'm gonna have to, when I get to wherever my destination is, I'm gonna have to ask somebody to help me finish zipping it up. But this is actually pretty cute. You know, like, isn't this cute, y'all? Look at me. Okay. You know, I have my little shades, a cute little purse, and my puppy, my imaginary puppy, and just be like, hello. How are you? Hello. So I got some heels. They look like this. And yeah, this outfit is tight. Well, not too tight, but I'm getting tired of being in it. We have one more fit. Okay, so this is this outfit. This is cute. This is such a comfy little fit. I love it. Like, this is comfortable. And I like the fact that it's matching, it's cute. And I got one more pair of shoes. By the way, let me give you guys 360. 360. Okay, so I got another pair of shoes. These are, what are these called? I don't know. But they're like those sneaker looking, not sneaker, those sock looking shoes. So they look like this. I hope I tried on everything because, oh, no, I didn't. I forgot I had a jumpsuit. Ooh, and y'all, this jumpsuit look like it's gonna be fire, okay? It was between this or the red one, but I settled for the black. Oh, I can't believe I almost forgot. This is the highlight of the show, honey. Let me try this jumpsuit on for y'all. This is right now, I'm going through the pains of living alone, okay? Okay, guys, I legitimately struggled to get into this jumpsuit. Well, not struggle to get into. Getting into was the easy part. Zipping it up. This is where you start, like, this is where I start to feel the pains of living alone. Okay, because don't got nobody to help me zip nothing up. Y'all, look at this jumpsuit. Honey, I gotta suck my stomach in for this, y'all. This right here is my swag. You guys, this is a cute jumpsuit. And I was like, should I get this in black or red? But I was like, this is already such a bold piece that I said, we can just get black. Don't be doing red, don't be doing that, because, you know, I gotta talk to y'all the entire time with my shades on because this outfit is such fire that I'll blind myself, so I gotta put my shades on. What? Yeah, I'm cute. Honey, girl. This is, like, the way I feel in this outfit is like when you get new bundles. Like, you know how when you look so good that you too good to talk to anybody? Like, I look so good that I can't talk to nobody right now. Like, people like, hey, Whitney, like, hey, y'all. That's how I feel, okay? Woo! I don't want to take this off. I'm gonna just do my outro with this on. Like I said, I gotta talk to y'all with the shades on. Hold on, I gotta make sure there ain't no prints on it, because, you know, people on YouTube love to come for you. People on the internet, period. By the way, these shades are from Fashion Nova as well too. All right, you guys. So this was my Fashion Nova try on haul. All right, no, I'm playing. I'm not gonna do the outro with the glasses on. Let me be civilized for once, you know, okay. Anyways, you guys, this was my Fashion Nova try on haul. For the most part, I really did like all the stuff that I got, minus those boyfriend jeans. Yeah, minus the boyfriend jeans. Even that little black romper paired with like the jean jacket looks so cute, but by itself, it's a no. But yeah, you guys, I really liked all the pieces for the most part. I would have to say that this jumpsuit, or this, this jumpsuit would have to be my favorite. Now, where exactly am I going? Nowhere. I'm the type of person that buys stuff to just have in her closet and be like, okay, in case I go somewhere, I have something to wear. But I literally go to the same place over and over. I go to work and we have a uniform. I go to church. This ain't baby. So yeah, besides this, church and the gym. And so a lot of the stuff that I be buying be like, whenever I do have somewhere to go, I got an outfit. But usually when I know that I'm going somewhere, I go ahead and buy stuff for that. So I don't know, but you know what, this is a reward to me. I feel like buying all these clothes is a reward, okay? Because I lost all that weight, and for the longest I would not wear stuff like this at all. Like I believe in dressing for your body type, and I personally did not want to wear stuff that revealed my back rolls, fat. I just wasn't doing it. Now to each his own, but for me, I wasn't doing it. So like now I can wear a lot of these things that I couldn't wear back then, and so I'm just excited. Hey. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not yet seen my last Fashion Nova try on haul, you should watch that, and I'll have it linked down below. And also check out my other videos. Yet again, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you liked, you know, if you liked anything. If you didn't like anything, go ahead and let me know. And yeah, until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.